This week on Elder Dragon Hijinks.
And that'll be a very slow passing gesture to Ailey.
And now we wait.
I'm gonna blow my nose real quick.
Okay.
Do you want me to do it into the mic for
Yeah,
engagement,
actually,
or?
that'd be...
Okay, great.
No, it's really good, like, shoulder or Patreon content.
I get to keep the feet, but you get the sneezes.
All right, fair.
Blowing the nose. All right, here we go.
That's chill.
This is just a warning. If this isn't your jam, mute right now. Achoo! Apologies, it's
Wow.
allergy season.
That ASMR, though, I've got all the tingles.
What's this I hear about feed pics?